Right here.
Get close.
Forgot to tell you. He also said I have like a dog jaw thing.
Joe, they're probably having you on. They're not such thing, I don't think, you know.
Dear, it hurts. It's dog jaw. It's serious. Maybe I need to go to the doctor. Feel it. Okay, then go. Oh, God.
Right here. They say it's like a dog jaw. Feel
Like this lump right here. Can you like look really close? No, come closer. Come right here.
Why? Yeah, because it's locking right there.
Oh, it's locking?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what? Sorry, I leave my hand still.
Yeah, it's called dog jaw. So.
Yeah.